How are these sleeves working out for you?
I love them. I haven't touched the actual sleeves yet. Three.
Oh my god. Come on. Yeah, there we go.
You're playing.
Yeah, I know. Got a bottom card for you.
Sit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll play first.
You started?
Yes.
Alright.
Right, go.
Draw. Hornet.
It's rear guard and Vanguard circle.
15.
Oh, that sucks.
15.
No, 5. No, no guard. Son of a gun. Why?
Go.
I didn't know. I don't pay attention to the American play.
Pay attention.
That's such a different thing, though. 14.
No guard.
Hey, grade 3.
Hey, strike.
What's grade stuff?
Draw.
No guard.
Offense.
Power.
Go.
Ride. Skill. Cut. Attack your Vanguard for 16.
Check.
Heal that counter.
Oh, he bounced the grade 3 already. Ooh. I don't want to play this game with you right now. Cards?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8?
Yeah.
Call that, win that.
Stride. G-assist. G-assist, buddy. Come on.
12.
Oh, god dang it.
We'll play this game with
I
you.
don't like these games you play, man.
Well,
They suck.
grade 2 game too strong.
Oh my god. Son of a gun.
14.
No. No pass. Ah, dang it.
I need that. I'll take that.
You better take it.
It's okay. Your Bermudas are done.
They're not. 11 Vanguard. Drop the horn. 69 Vanguard with the critical.
Check. Liar.
I'm kidding.
Check.
SP. Yeah, that's right, neighbor. There we go.
That's fine. Sandra? Right, skill. Counterblast. Call. Strike.
Wait, what are you paralyzing? I'm guessing these
Nothing. No, not yet.
two. Okay.
Call plus 3.
'Cause I know he stuns the Vanguard in the rear.
Yeah.
Is that?
These two.
Yeah. How nice. Make
Call.
him face east, man.
5/5 skill.
Yes.
Counterblast. Stand. Can't stand.
Ah, son of a gun.
16 men.
It doesn't go to the deck?
No.
Oh. Oh.
Counterblast 1, stand 1, stun 1.
That's nice, though. Oh my god. Take it. Yay, power to Vanguard. Yes.
31.
No. Let's see. Drop that. Dun.
Triple. First check. Second check. Third check.
Aha.
Power. Stand. 21. Skill. Stand. Can't stand.
Again?
Yep.
Wait, it's reversed. Now I can stand.
12, 17, 21.
I'll take it then. Ah, this sucks so much. Ah, don't touch it, Brandon. You can't stand nothing. Wait, psych. Yes, I can. Stride.
That's fine.
Return my field to me. Return. Draw. Call. Starter skill. Draw one more. Ah, there we go. Call.
Sure.
Call.
Sure. Sure.
Call.
Sure.
Okay. 12 at your Vanguard.
12 at my Vanguard.
Oh no, 13.
13.
Yes.
Okay.
Stand trigger skill. Return. Counterblast. Now I'll draw after you shuffle. And cut. Draw. And then I call one. Again. It's C9. Rear guard.
Here.
Yes. Vanguard 26. If it hits, yeah.
No one.
Power string.
Yeah.
Crit power.
Alright.
14.
How much?
21. The crit.
You said 14?
Yes, this is 14 at your rear guard. Attack van. Stand trigger skill. Do the same thing. Draw one after this. Call this. And draw another one. 9 at the same rear guard. Come on, the die, yeah. And my turn.
That's fine. Enter. Strike. Round 2?
Son of a bitch, good. Alright, I know this is going. Alright, yeah. What can this grade 3 do?
Plus 3.
I can't take a single hit, I just realized.
16 van.
No.
31.
I'm not a stride enablers.
First. Second.
No stand.
7.
Gay. Sure.
Go.
Don't. Top decks. Right. Wait.
Stride
son of
comes
a
in
gun.
rested.
Yeah. Ride. Might as well ride the SP. Use skill.
What skill?
Or skill. When it's placed on Vanguard circle.
Okay.
Another grade 3. Cut.
So you pass strike phase. Oh no, let's put some van.
Yeah. Discard for strike.
Bailiff. Yeah.
Call, harmony.
Yeah.
Another Loris? No, more grade 3s. Cut. I need to call another card. Must be different. Yeah. Okay, 11 at your rear guard.
Which one?
This one. 16 at your Vanguard skill. Call plus 3. Yes. 14 at your Vanguard.
Sure. Got game 1. Game 2. I'll be playing. I'll be keeping.
Be keeping. Oh yeah? I'm gonna put one back. You like that?
Yeah.
Cut. Give me the 3. Alright, you may play first.
Sure.
Check. Yay, crit. Here you go.
Plus 3.
I don't like this. Does he stun?
Yep.
Oh, son of a gun.
17.
I'll let this one hit.
Crypt power.
Yay, power.
16.
Now you can't stun it. Wait. Can you?
No. 16.
Wait, you can't stun it?
No. Because he's standing.
Yay.
Go.
Guard it anyway. Too bad.
How much?
14.
1 pass.
Freaking try me. Ah, son of a gun. Ah, I got a 3 though.
I tried you. 12.
Ah, probably.
11.
No.
14.
Take it. At least I doesn't have non-hit ability.
Go. Nope, but if this was a tarantula, it would.
Yes, we know. Right.
Brandon lost my tarantula.
Ah, shush. Yes. Cut.
Cards in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 going to 8.
Yep. Vanguard 16.
No guard.
Yay. There you go.
Plus 3. 12.
What am I doing? Guard this one.
14.
No pass.
Offense. 26 and
Nope.
Go.
Wait, I'm sorry. Yes. Draw. Son of a gun. Search one more time. Yes, grade 3 search. Cut. Rear guard.
Here?
Yeah, 16. You'll let it die, come on. I know you will.
Oh,
One to
wait,
pass?
16?
Yes, one to pass. No pass, really? Oh, son of a gun. Go. Well, I lost.
Side?
Fact. Would have been game.
What kind of blast?
Yeah, you do that.
Call. Stride?
Is the on hit one?
Yup.
Can't normal ride?
Yup. You can't
Oh.
normal ride or
Let's see, let
Skill?
me get a superior ride.
and soul. With the same plus 3.
Son of a gun. Son of-
26.
son of a bitch. No. I do one for 1.
Triple. All effects.
Yeah, you do that.
Power.
Yeah.
Draw. 22.
Power.
11, 18, 23 and a crit.
Guard. Draw. Yes, I can stand this time. And I can stride this time.
That's fine.
Call. Harmony. Message. Cut, please. Starter skill. Return. Draw. Wow, what do you know? Harmony. Yeah. Cut. Oh, don't do that.
Delete.
9, rear guard. We're gonna do this game again.
9 here?
Yes.
Yeah, you can die.
26 Vanguard.
Yeah, I don't think so.
16 Vanguard skill.
And the on hit effect?
No. Just gonna return this as and then I get to call 1 back and it gets plus 3. Call you back. Cards in hand?
4.
Rear guard. Dang it. Go.
Draw. Stride.
Stun this and we suck.
19. 26.
1 discard.
Triple. Power. No heal. All effects. 28 and a crit.
Intersect. 31.
Pass.
stand, draw, ride, stride.
That's fine. I love you.
No, you can't.
I know.
Sign me. Like I said, man, you got this one. Draw 2. Harmony.
Sure.
Speed. Cut. Man. Cards in hand?
4.
16 Vanguard. None of these are on hit except for this. Vanguard. 26
Yep.
Vanguard. Cards in hand?
2. You gotta triple drive first before effect.
Yeah, I know. You have 2.
2. 3 damage.
I'm gonna have 1 stand trigger at least. Come on, 1. Whatever.
Power.
Power here. Heal. Come on, stand trigger. That's 2.
2.
Power. Heal. Come on. Trigger, please. Well, let's go for that. Power stand. Yeah, 26. Alright.
That's fine.
Skill.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Ah.
Yeah. Gotta do that. Call. Plus 3.
Aye.
Or, no. Return. Call plus 3, and I'll draw 1. There we go.
Sure.
You can get a trigger. Rear guard for 14. I dare you. You suck.
Vanguard?
This big ass number. It doesn't have a crit.
26.
Probably should have called the other one, but yeah, 26.
Power stand?
What can I stun?
Cards?
5.
5, 3, or 10k. Go strike.
Yeah, get the SP. Sure. Meaning.
19.
No.
26.
No guard. Yes.
Take damage?
Yeah. No!
23. Skill. Stand. Can't stand.
Ah, great.
12.
No.
Go.
Stand and draw.
Okay, 3?
Harmony. Skill. Plus 5 and a crit.
Sure.
Harmony. Plus 5 and a crit.
Who's Harmony skill?
This.
When this unit comes in harmony to their unit. Okay.
Soul is 3. Wait, no, I'm sorry. This is nothing. This.
So this is nothing?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm doing anything with this. It's when she's in harmony. I keep thinking when.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Alright, this is all I got. This is my final turn. So plus 5 and a crit here.
This is game 3,
This is
right?
1. Yes. Okay. 13. No, rear guard.
How much?
13.
How much?
16.
Anything happens after that?
If it hits. Wait, what the hell am I doing? These have crits. Fuck. 17 with a crit.
17 and crit?
Yeah, when this one hits, it's a bounce 1, call 1. Stand trigger skill. Call it back.
Alright.
21 with a crit.
Cards?
Go. 1.
Stride.
Oh, you suck.
Stride is you.
I can survive this.
Rest. Drop.
Yes.
Call.
1, 2,
17? Oh, wait.
2 deals.
17?
Yeah, I'm not wrong. Good game.
Told you
Oh my god.